Today we'll start a new topic: combinational circuit. The definition of combinational circuit is that a combinational circuit is a one in which a present state of the combination of logic inputs decided the output. So here, consider what this combinational circuit is. Yeah, consider this logic circuit. This is a logic circuit. There may be consist of many internal circuits or gates will be there, and these are present inputs, and these are the present inputs, and output of this combinational circuit is only depending on present input, only depending on present inputs, and output of this circuit is depending only on present inputs and not depending on previous inputs. So therefore, it is called as a combinational circuit. Hence, combinational circuits. Uh, So here the combination logic circuit is a one in which present state of the combinational circuit of the logic inputs decided the output. Yeah. Present state of the combination decides the output of any logical circuit. The term combination logic means combining two or more logic gates to form a required function where the output at a given time depends only on the input. Combinational circuits means two or more logic gates we required function where the output at a given time depends only on the input. An required output data is obtained from this process by transforming the binary information given at input. Here is a combinational logic circuit. Here the number of inputs, n inputs will be there. So therefore m outputs. And these m output, the output of this combinational circuit is depending only on the present inputs. And transforming the binary information of input at given input to the output particular. And next one is then this is called classification of combinational circuits. In that combinational circuit is divided into arithmetic and logical functions, data transmissions, and code converters. See, in arithmetic logic inverts all adders, subtractors, comparators, and PLDs, programmable logic devices, and comes under this arithmetic and logical functions, and data transmission techniques will be there, and combinational circuits which are used for the data transmissions are multiplexers, demultiplexers, encoders, and decoders. And other code converters are there, and these also comes under a combinational circuits. And output of this code converters is depending only on a present input. So therefore, and such examples are binary converters and BCD converters and 7-segment displays. And all these is very important. Next year, characteristics of combinational logic circuits. Uh, See, output of combinational circuit at any instant of time depends only on the levels present at input terminals. And combinational circuit do not use any memory. So why? Because it depends only present inputs. So no need of any memory element to store previous data or a previous file something. The previous state of input does not have any effect on present state of the circuit combination. And combinational circuit can have a n number of inputs and m number of outputs. So in that, one of the here we have already seen the arithmetic and logical functions. In that adders is there. First we'll see our adders, off adder. In off adder is a combinational logic circuit with two inputs and two outputs. Off adder circuit is designed to add two single bit binary numbers A and B. It is a basic building block of addition of two single bit numbers. This circuit has input, outputs, carry, and sum. These are two outputs. Now I'll explain from this here. The first one is off adder circuit. Off adder circuit. Here it adds only two binary numbers, not numbers, binary digits. Here consider A is a one binary digit and B is another digit. it adds these two. See, A is a binary literal, means it may have a 0 or 1. Here also B is a binary literal, it possible values of B or may have 0 or 1. And possible combination let consider is a binary digit A and binary digit B. And possible combination, these two may be 0 and A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. These are the maximum possible combination of two binary literals. So what we said, binary off adder. Off adder adds two binary digits. Binary digits, that's the A and B. So in the here, what we said, it has a two inputs. Two inputs mean off adder and two inputs A and B. This is off adder, the internal circuit. Now we'll design an internal circuit of this off adder. And next output is two outputs. One is a carry, another one is a sum and carry. These two outputs. Here, designing any combinational circuit has some following steps. Now we'll see one by one. What are the following steps of combinational circuit? Steps required to steps required um, design of combinational circuits. Sorry, here design of combinational circuits. Okay, first one is and identify inputs or outputs. First, we have to identify inputs and outputs. Next, construct truth table. Construct truth table. Next, third point is write logical expression. Write logical expression from the truth table. Next, fourth point is minimize the logical expression. Whatever we got is one. This minimize logical expression. And fifth one is implement logic circuit. Implement logic circuit. So very simple. First one is identify inputs and outputs, and next one is so in that case here now off adder now design of combinational circuit off adder combinational circuit. So here we identified number of inputs and the number of outputs. What are the inputs? Two inputs are there. There is A and B. And two outputs are there. What are the two outputs? One is a sum, another one is carry. This is a operator, two inputs A and B, and two outputs sum and carry. Now here is a possible combination already done 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 and sum is here addition of these two binaries 0 plus 0 is 0 so carry is 0. Next 0 plus 1 sum is 1 carry is 0. Next 1 plus 0 sum is 1 carry is 0. 1 plus 1 here 1 plus 1 will become 1 0. So 0 is a sum and 1 is a carry. 0 is a sum, 1 is a carry. Here what I did, I developed here first of all I identified this inputs and outputs, and next I constructed a truth table and write a logical expression for outputs. Logical expression for outputs. What are the outputs? Output sum is one of the output. So logical expression wherever one is there, one and their respective inputs. That is A bar B. Here one is there. This respective A is 0 means A bar. This is a midterm. B is equal to 1 means B. So A bar B plus another one is there. Their respective inputs here. A is equal to 1 and B is A is equal to 1 means A and B is equal to 0 means B bar. A bar B plus A B bar. This is simply this is same as A exclusive or B. This is a logical expression for sum. And then a logical expression for carry, where carry is there only one is there their respective inputs. So therefore the A is equal to 1 say A. Okay sir. Okay sir. B is equal to 1 means this is the B. So we got logical expression for carry as well as sum. Now, so no minimization possible in case of logic exclusive OR gate. Here also no minimization is possible. So simply then implement these logical functions. Now implementation, it comes under implementation part. I'll implement here. See. So implementation part comes under implementation part. What we got? A sum is equal to A bar B plus A B bar and carry is equal to AB. This is a logical expression. Oh no. So record. So implementation, next step is implementation of this logical expression using gates. And in this, CRS is there. A bar means A complement and B is there. In some area, this is A complement. This is B. And these two AND gate. Next place is there. Another A is there. A and B complement. B bar. And these two are added together OR gate. Here, this is A bar. Here B, this is A, this is B and B bar. Here, A bar B indicate output of indicate this is A B bar. Here sum is A bar B plus A B bar, which is same as A exclusive OR B, and this is directly this total entire circuit can be replaced by exclusive OR gate. This is A B and this is A exclusive OR B. Next, for some expression, sum is C is equal to AB. So therefore, this can be written as sum S, and this is A from this line and B line indicate. This is C. Now here, I'll draw this here. This is half adder. We constructed half adder combinational circuits. First, we identified inputs A and B, identified outputs. Then again, we developed the truth table of this adder circuit. Then after that, writing a logical expression. After that, a simplification of logical expression. After that, implementation of this simplified logical expression using gates. And this is the process. Thank you so much. This is all about combinational circuits introduction as well as implementation of off-adder circuit using gates.